Hello and welcome to Nyam Nyam. Let's make this amazing doll cake. We're making Ariel, and she's wearing a gorgeous green sparkly dress. Let's start. First of all, place a plain vanilla sponge on a plate. Spoon on some sugar syrup and let it soak in. Then add some whipped cream on top. Spread it evenly. A nice thick layer. And then add on your second layer of cake. Repeat the same process with the sugar syrup and whipped cream. We're going to keep layering this cake, adding about 4 layers, getting slightly smaller each time. So a slightly smaller layer going on. And again adding sugar syrup and whipped cream. Spreading it out. And then adding an even smaller cake. Repeating the process of sugar syrup and whipped cream. So stacking the cakes like this, making them get smaller and smaller, helps to create our dress shape. We're just going to slice around the edge to create the perfect shape. Sort of a dome. Final layer of whipped cream going on the top. And we'll cover the entire cake as well, using a turntable for ease. Then just smooth it out. And place your doll cutout on top. We're placing edible pearls around the bottom edge of the cake. Now carefully place an acetate sheet on top around Ariel. And pour in some coloured white chocolate ganache. We've coloured it green or sort of aquamarine. Adding some edible glitter in there. Plenty of that. And colourful sprinkles. Then very carefully remove the acetate sheet and watch it drop down the sides of the cake, creating this absolutely amazing green sparkly dress. Wow, just look at that. Fantastic! So, why not give it a go? Create your favourite character cake. Enjoy!